Hey guys, it's James. A little flip tip for you. We're going to talk about how to budget for trash removal when you got a hoarder house or too much garbage. So you can see we just bought this house. It is stacked full of shit, including weird stuff. But how do we kind of account for this? So what we did is it's 670 square feet. That's not that big, right? It looks intimidating, but again, it's not that much stuff. So what we did is we kind of calculated it would take 2 laborers 4 days, and if we paid them $30 an hour, which is high, that's going to cost us about $500 a day. So it's going to be about $2 grand in labor just to get the stuff trashed out. There's about 3 dumpsters here at $1,200 a dumpster. So that's going to be about $3,600. So we're looking at about $5,600 to remove all this stuff. In addition to, we had a bid for the regular demo, which is taking out the cabinets, the counters, and everything else, and that's going to cost us about another $2 or about another $3 more a square foot, which is going to be about another $1,800 in this house. So by using logic, it allows us to budget a lot better and safer to where we're hitting our metrics.